Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to be here at this amazing potato farm where we'll explore the incredible journey of potatoes from the ground to your plate. Today we'll see how these beloved tubers are planted, harvested, and processed into delicious snacks. So let's dive in and discover the magic of potatoes. As we arrive, the vibrant energy of the farm is contagious. The fresh smell of soil and lush green fields create a beautiful backdrop for our adventure. You can hear the sounds of nature all around, making it an inspiring place to be. I'm so excited to learn about the planting process. Let's start with how potatoes are planted. Farmers carefully prepare the soil and place seed potatoes in neat rows, ensuring they have the right conditions to grow. This process is crucial for a successful harvest, and it's amazing to see the dedication involved. Watching the farmers' work gives me a whole new appreciation for what goes into our food. Once planted, these little potatoes need lots of care. Farmers monitor them closely, ensuring they get plenty of water and sunlight while keeping pests at bay. This nurturing phase is vital for healthy growth and maximizing yield. It's heartwarming to see the commitment these farmers have to their crops. Now let's move to the exciting harvesting process. It's a busy time on the farm, and you can feel the excitement in the air as everyone works together. Large machines and skilled hands pull the potatoes from the ground, and you can see the joy on the farmers' faces as they celebrate their hard work. It's a beautiful moment to witness. Look at these beautiful potatoes coming out of the ground. Each one represents the hard work and dedication that goes into farming. The farmers' smiles are infectious as they celebrate their successful harvest. It's a joyful moment that highlights the rewards of their labor. After harvesting, the potatoes are carefully washed and sorted to ensure only the best ones make it through. Each potato is inspected for quality, ensuring that we get the freshest and highest quality produce. It's impressive to see the attention to detail in this process, guaranteeing that our meals are delicious and wholesome. Next, we'll head to the processing factory, where these potatoes are transformed into delicious snacks. From crispy fries to crunchy chips, the possibilities are endless. The factory is alive with activity, and the aroma of freshly cooked potatoes fills the air. I can't wait to show you how these tasty treats are made. At the factory, the potatoes go through several stages: washing, peeling, cutting, and cooking. Each step is performed with care to maintain the best flavor and texture. The sound of machines and the sight of skilled workers create a vibrant atmosphere. It's exciting to see how much goes into making the products we all love. Now that we've explored the journey of potatoes from the farm, let's dive into the exciting world of potato processing in the factory. This is where the magic truly happens. Freshly harvested potatoes arrive in large trucks, ready to be transformed into delicious products we all love. The first thing we notice is the hustle and bustle of workers efficiently handling the produce. Once the potatoes arrive, they go through a thorough washing process. This step is crucial to remove any dirt and debris from the farm. The washing machines are designed to handle large quantities at once, ensuring that each potato is sparkling clean. It's fascinating to see the potatoes tumble around in the water, getting ready for the next stage. After washing, the potatoes are peeled to remove their skins. This can be done using automated peeling machines that carefully strip the outer layer without damaging the potato itself. Skilled workers monitor this process to ensure quality. Watching the potatoes transform into their shiny, naked form is quite satisfying. Next, the peeled potatoes are cut into various shapes based on the products being made. Whether it's for fries, wedges, or chips, precision is key. Workers use cutting machines to ensure uniform sizes, which is essential for even cooking. It's incredible to see how one vegetable can be transformed into so many tasty forms. Once the potatoes are cut, they are ready for cooking. Depending on the product, they may be fried, baked, or roasted. This cooking stage enhances their flavor and texture, creating the irresistible taste we all love. The kitchen area of the factory is buzzing with energy, filled with the sounds of sizzling and the enticing aroma of cooking potatoes. After cooking, the potatoes are seasoned to perfection. Depending on the product, they might receive a sprinkle of salt, herbs, or special seasoning blends. This step is crucial as it adds flavor and makes each bite delightful. It's fascinating to watch the team carefully season the potatoes, ensuring consistency across every batch. Once seasoned, the potatoes are prepared for packaging. They are placed in containers designed to maintain freshness and protect against damage during transport. Workers carefully monitor this process to ensure that the product remains intact and appealing. It's impressive to see how efficiently everything runs in this part of the factory. Now that the potatoes are packaged, they are labeled and organized for distribution. This is a crucial step in ensuring that products reach stores and customers in a timely manner. The logistics team works diligently to coordinate shipping, ensuring that every order is fulfilled accurately. It's a well-oiled machine. As the products make their way to stores, let's talk about the various potato products available. From classic French fries to innovative potato chips, and even frozen mashed potatoes, the possibilities are endless. Each product has its own unique appeal and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. What's your favorite potato product? Another exciting aspect of potato products is their versatility in cooking. You can create delicious dishes from mashed potatoes to gratins, or even incorporate them into soups and stews. Potatoes can be the star of the show or a delightful side dish. They truly bring comfort and joy to our meals. Let's not forget the health benefits of potatoes. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. When prepared healthily, such as baking or steaming, they can be part of a balanced diet. So whether you enjoy them fried or baked, there's a way to savor potatoes without sacrificing nutrition. As we wrap up our tour of the processing plant, it's important to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of everyone involved in bringing potatoes to our tables. From the farmers who grow them to the factory workers who process and package them, each person plays a vital role in this journey. Their teamwork and commitment ensure we receive high-quality products. Before we finish, let's take a moment to explore the future of potato products. With advancements in technology and food science, new methods of processing and flavoring are being developed all the time. There are exciting innovations on the horizon, such as healthier frying methods and unique flavor profiles that cater to diverse tastes. As we conclude our wonderful journey through the world of potato processing, Gemi Farm would like to thank all of you for joining me today. We have seen how much effort goes into each potato product, from the dedicated farmers tending the crops to the skilled workers in the factory. It is a collective effort that brings delicious potatoes to our tables. The next time you enjoy a potato dish, remember the hard work and passion behind it. Let's continue to support local farmers and producers for a sustainable future. Thank you, and see you next time.